Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, my channel. Today we are going to keep on mounting the Toyota Gazoo Le Mans, and it is episode 5. I think we can finish the frame. Up to the last time we have made this. You remember? And we can check if everything is working. So first the transmitter, welcome to Noble as usual, then the receiver, then we can check with the brushed motors. It would be nice to let the motor working for a few hours, 2 or 3 hours. We are a very low tension, so it goes very slowly in order to let all the parts copy perfectly. And the steering, it's not very fast. Okay, and we have made this. Switch off. It speaks to you. You are never alone with this radio. Then keep on going. We have to do step 13, and here I put it all what you need. So stop speaking, start working. Step 14. Bearings. This plastic is very soft, so you don't have to tight too much the uniball. Step 15. How do we mount this? First of all, the E-clip, then a spring, then through this hole, then this spacer, then the wheel hub, then the arm, okay, then a spacer, then another eclipse. Come on, okay. And this works. How does it work? How can I show you? Don't like it too much, but push rod could be better, but it is very simple, and simple things generally work. So I have to put this on this, then we have to register all, and this is the front. I think we can mount the wheels. They are the same, so this one here inside, the nut, self-tapping nut. Up. Take it later. Remember, you have to press here with something, a finger, a piece of wood, a rock, something. Otherwise, you lose the pin and the wheels turn, you can't screw the nut on. Okay, now I can leave under and I finish. It's very difficult. Obviously it works. And now step 16. You can register this. Well, here they go. Wonderful. Now the pinion. Okay. This screw gets out a little bit inside, so you find the square part of the shaft. Now, to find the right position of the engine, to have the right play between these two gears, I have a little trick. A very thin piece of paper. You cut this, then you put this here between the two gears. And the other one away. Perfect. Step 19, rear wheels. Now we have to mount the body posts. These are the instructions, but what we have to do is this from the body instructions. So we have to follow this, and we need this one. They say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. Okay. Okay, we can turn them later in the best position here. And then 3 other screws that are MA4. Don't tighten the first screw to the end, so you can more easily find the other holes for the other screws. And this is it. Perhaps we have to cut this. This is very chip. Die. And we are... This is finished. The chassis is finished. These are pieces that we don't use, so I put in the bags for the pieces we don't use, and we make a little trial. First the radio, then the car, haha, we need to reverse. We need to reverse. We have to glue the tires. And then we put some glue here. And for the other side, we let it dry. I can reverse the servo. With this video we have finished this. It works very well. I'm very happy. I hope you have enjoyed to see this. It has been useful. Up to the next video. By now, remember, please subscribe, give me like if you want, comments. I'm very pleased to receive your comments, to answer your question, and to have a deal with you. So thank you once again. The following videos, the 2 following videos, will be not on the body for this Toyota, but I take a little break, and I will give you 2 videos, one about an airplane and the other one about the Subaru Impreza on my truck. Hope you will enjoy it. And by now, I wish you all the best, and up to the next. Bye.